Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Louise from Bob's Burgers. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So we're going to move over to the left side and draw an oval. Starting from the top, we'll work our way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. We're going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the eye and draw on that same sized oval. In the center of the eye, we're going to draw a small black dot for the pupils. Now along the bottom edge of the eyes, we're going to move towards the center and draw on the nose. So it's a U shape. Starting from the left, we'll curve down and up. Now down below, we're going to draw a wide mouth. Starting on the left side, curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. We're going to step down in the center and draw the lower lip, just a short curve. Let's add some eyelashes along the top. Starting from the top center of the left eye, we're going to draw one short line. Now we're going to work our way over towards the left with 3 more lines. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we can go in and draw on the outside of the head. Starting from the top, we're going to curve around the eye and mouth. We're going to pull that in. Now at the bottom, we're going to curve it down towards the base of the neck. Let's go back to the top and curve around the right side. Now we're going to connect these 2 lines with a curve coming down the middle. From the bottom of the neck, we're going to step up and draw another curve for the chin. Now let's move up and draw on the hairline. So above the left eye, just up at the top of the head, we're going to curve down and then out towards the left. We'll do the same thing on the right. We're going to fill the hair in black. Now let's add some eyebrows. On the side of the hair, we're going to angle up and in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to go out and draw on the hat. So in the center, we're going to step up and draw a curve from left to right, going across the top of the head. Now from the ends, we're going to curve up towards the tip of the ear, curving up and then out. Now we're going to curve in the opposite direction back towards the head, curving down and pulling that in. From the end of the ear, we're going to curve down the side of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then down. Now we're going to do an overlap. On the left side, we're going to step up and in, curve around the face, in. Now we're just going to flare it out at the end. Do the same thing on the right. From here, we're going to curl this around and pull this back up in behind the head. We're going to add 2 tassels along the bottom of the hat. So on the left side, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down, and we'll close it off with a straight line at the bottom. Now let's go in and tuck the hair in behind the head. Starting on the side of the flap, we're going to curve out and down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to curve this in, this short line. Now we're going to curve around the tip of that tassel in behind the neck. We're going to curve down and pull that up. Let's go ahead and fill the hair in black. Now that we have the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start from the corners of the neck. We're going to curve out the shoulder, curving out and then down. Now from here, we're going to curve down and in with a short line. Now we're going to draw on the side of the body. From here, we're going to step up and in, curve out, and then down towards the bottom of the dress. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a wavy line, just going across towards the right. Now let's go in and draw on the arms. From the bottom of the left hand, we're just going to start out here. We're going to curve up and out. Now from here, we're going to draw on the first finger, curving out, rounding up the finger, and then pulling that up. We're going to draw 2 more fingers on the side. So from the bottom of this finger, we're going to curve around and then up. Now the third finger, we're gonna curve around. We're gonna tuck this in behind the sleeve. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving up the thumb, come down, and then up the first finger. On the second finger. Now the third finger, we're gonna curve all the way up, in behind the sleeve, leaving a little overlap on the end. We're gonna continue working down with the legs, leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, we're gonna draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from here, let's draw on the foot. From the left heel, we're gonna curve down at an angle, round out the foot, and curve that back in. And then from here, we're gonna go straight up underneath the dress. Let's go in and add the shoe. From the ankle, we're gonna step out, curve in and down, and we're gonna curve up towards the heel. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving down and in, curving up towards the heel. Let's add that little strap. So from this point, we're gonna step out, curve once, and then twice. Now we're gonna connect these 2 points with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we can go in and fill the shoes in black. Just finish off the toe. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Louise from Bob's Burgers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.